Psychology usually measures how smart you are by how well you solve puzzles in a quiet, safe room. But what happens when the room is on fire? Most geniuses completely freeze, but a very specific type of person wakes up. Society has a lot of names for you. They say you have trust issues. They call you an overthinker. They wonder why you are always on edge when things are going perfectly fine. They don't understand that your brain is operating on a completely different operating system. It's called survivor's intelligence. It is not built in a classroom. It is forged in environments where the rules kept changing, and you had to adapt just to make it through the day. And while traditional tests can't measure it, the real world proves it exists every single day. Here are 6 signs you have this rare psychological advantage. Sign 1. You see the invisible tripwires. Most people listen to the words being spoken. You feel the frequency underneath them. You can walk into a family dinner or a board meeting and instantly map the emotional landmines. You know who is holding a grudge. You know who's about to lose their temper long before they even raise their voice. People call it intuition, but it's actually data collection. Your brain was trained to read tiny shifts in body language, breathing, and eye contact because misreading a room in your past had consequences. Sign 2. You experience the slow motion effect in chaos. A crisis hits at work. A relationship suddenly falls apart. An emergency breaks out. Watch the people around you. Their heart rates spike. Their voices get high. They run in circles. But you get strangely cold. Your mind shifts into a slow motion state. While everyone else is busy panicking about the problem, you have already moved 3 steps ahead to the solution. You don't panic because chaos is your native language. Sign 3. You are completely immune to charm. We live in a world where people love smooth talkers. Average people get swept off their feet by grand promises, big apologies, and beautiful words. You just watch their feet. Survivor's intelligence teaches you one brutal truth. Words are just noise. Behavior is the only data that matters. If someone tells you they love you, but their actions show disrespect, the words evaporate. You don't get manipulated easily because you stopped believing in fairy tales a long time ago. Sign 4. You build bridges out of scraps. Take a person who grew up with everything and take away their resources. They will sit down and complain that the system is broken. Take away your resources, you will find a back door. You know how to stretch a dollar. You know how to make a connection out of thin air. You don't need perfect conditions to win. Because you grew up surviving on the leftovers of bad situations, your mind naturally sees hidden possibilities that comfortable people are totally blind to. Sign 5. You are a psychological shapeshifter. You have a remarkable ability to blend in anywhere. You can speak the language of a corporate boss and 10 minutes later, match the exact energy of a guy on the street. This isn't manipulation. It is camouflage. When you grow up in an unpredictable environment, standing out or saying the wrong thing is dangerous. So you learn to reflect back exactly what the person in front of you needed to see. Sign 6. You always wear an emergency parachute. You never sit with your back to the door. And I don't just mean that literally. In business, in friendships, and in love, you always have a quiet exit strategy in the back of your mind. You know exactly what it would cost to pack up and start over. You never let yourself become 100% dependent on anyone because a deeply ingrained part of you believes that eventually everyone leaves or everything breaks. And that brings us to the hidden tax you pay for this intelligence. If you nodded along to this list, I need to tell you the truth about the trap you are in. You are a wartime general, living in peacetime, when your life is finally good, when your bills are paid, when your partner is actually healthy and loving, when everything is quiet, you hate it. Peace feels boring. Worse, peace feels like a trap because your brain is a threat detection machine. It doesn't know how to rest. So when there is no crisis to solve, you will accidentally invent one. You will pick apart a perfectly good relationship. You will sabotage your own success just to feel the familiar rush of survival. So how do you fix this? You don't. You cannot turn off survivor's intelligence. It is hardwired into your nervous system. Instead of fighting it, you have to direct it. Stop treating peace like a problem. Stop picking fights. Instead, give your brilliant, high-speed mind a worthy enemy. Launch a difficult business. Take on a massive creative project. Step into a leadership role where other people desperately need your calm in their chaos. Take the armor that kept you alive in the dark and use it to build an empire in the light. You are not damaged. You are just equipped with a rare set of tools that most people will never understand. Which of the 6 signs resonated with you the most today? Drop into the comments below. I read them all and I'd love to hear your story. If this video brought you clarity, hit that like button, subscribe to I Show Clarity, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Stay strong, and I will see you in the next one.